Good afternoon, everyone. My name is LaForge, and I'm here in New York City, and we're in the middle of quarantine, and we're in a very sparse area where there's not a lot of people, and I do have my mask on, but I'm going to take my mask off for this unboxing of my new Mickey Mouse watch. So I just got this in the mail today, and this was a gift from my mother, and I collect cartoon character watches. So this is the new addition to my collection. I have this one that I got at JCPenney's, and I did a video about this watch, and I do love this watch. It's still working fine. And I'm about to open this package here. So this watch in particular, I ordered from Amazon, and the price was $99. And it's from a company called Invicta. And here's the box, and it looks like it's used and it's supposed to be new. So see how the tape there? There's a little circle. That's supposed to be new, and the box does look a little worn. So let's open it. Oh, well, it looks new. Look at that. So you have the Disney character Mickey Mouse by Invicta. These are limited edition. I think there's about 4,000 of these. And this watch in particular is called the Pro Diver. And I did a lot of research on this watch, and I was really excited to get it. So here's the box. It feels nice. It has a nice texture. It's solid. You have the Disney logo here, and it's a matte black with a silver screen print on there. And here I'm going to open it to reveal the watch. Wow, look at that. Looks like that's a cleaning cloth. And here is the watch. Look at how beautiful that is. Look, there's 2 silicone gels in there. And there's Mickey Mouse back there. You know, Mickey Mouse, the reason I love him so much is because he's a Virgo and I'm a Virgo. And he's made with 3 perfect circles in the design. So here's the bag. It comes in. So I'll keep that for safekeeping. And here's the watch. It's an automatic watch, so it works with movement. And this is actually based on a Rolex Submariner watch. And the specs on this watch are identical to the Rolex Submariner. This is 40 millimeters in width here. And it's got a Cyclops here that, hold on, I'm gonna take the plastic off. Oh, there's 2 plastics. There's one there and one here. That is so shiny and new. One thing about this brand is they have their logo all over the damn place. There's Invicta there. There's Invicta there. There's Invicta on the second's hand. There's an Invicta logo on the crown. So it comes on this beautiful pillow, which is a faux leather, and it's soft to the touch. And here's the watch. It's got a nice weight to it. It's really heavy. I have to say I'm quite impressed with this. This came to $102 with shipping on Amazon. And they have a lot of different styles of this watch available. Golds, silver and gold, black, different various colors, sizes, shapes, different Mickey Mouse iterations. And look at the clasp. There's the Invicta hang tag. And let me put it on. Next I have, hopefully I bid on a Timex watch that had Linus on there, and that I bid $17 for, so I'm still waiting to hear back from the woman. This has plastic all over the band, but I'm gonna take that off when I get home because it's actually getting chilly out here. But I'll snap this back in. It's got a solid snap and a safety mechanism. But look how gorgeous that is. And this is also water resistant, so I can wear this when I paint in my studio. I'm an artist here in New York, and I paint in my studio every day. I get paint all over my hands, and I have to wash my hands a lot. So I thought this would be a good watch that I could kind of beat up. And I love the Cyclops, the date there that has a magnification window on it because it's easy to see. And here, I'm gonna set the time and the day. Today's the 29th, so here you go. It has a screw out crown, so you unscrew it and it pops out, and then it has two stoppers. So the first one is the date. So I'll do the date first. So I'll do the 28th, and then what I'm gonna do is another thing, it has a hacking movement, which means the second stops when you pull out the crown. Okay, so the 29th, and the time is, let's see, it's 1:24. So 1:24, put that back in, and you see the second hand keeps working, and then I'll screw in this crown for safety, and that it's water resistant as well. And then here's the bezel. It's got a nice strong bezel and a nice clicking sound. This is for divers and for timing. So I'll put that right at the top. And there you have it. Wow, that's a gorgeous, gorgeous collectible item, especially for you Mickey Mouse fans like me. There you go. Take a look at these together. Well, my collection is growing, and I want to thank Jorge Clark for helping me with this video. We did stay at least 6 feet apart from each other when we made this, so we're safe here in New York. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Mwah.